Hi and welcome to GFacts. Today I'm going to show you how to extract the latest information from multiple files. In front of me I have two files which contain sales information. Each file contains 3 transactions and our requirement is to get the latest transaction from each file and show the amount in Power BI. I have imported data in Power BI. As you can see, we have the two files with the transactions. The next step is to identify the latest transaction from each file. In this situation, the latest transaction from the first file will be this one, and from the second file it will be this one. So the total amount will be 35. Let's create a new column. And let's say latest. Then we need to create a variable, and let's say current. This will be the source file. Then we will create another variable. Let's name this L, in which we say max x. Let's say filter. We will say all. So we want to iterate to the entire data set without any filters being applied. So now we will say where source file name is equal to C. Then we will do the maximum per date. Now we will say return if L is equal to files of date, then we will say 1, otherwise we will say 0. And that's it. So if I drag this new column in this table, you will see that I have a marker which says which is the latest transaction from each file. So let me explain the formula for this column. For each row that we have, we iterate through the entire data set and we want to find the maximum date. For example, we take the first row, then we store this name in this variable C. Then in the variable L, what we are doing with this function maxx, we iterate through the entire data set and we say get all the data from this table where the source file name is equal to C. So in this situation, it will take the first 3 records and it will try to get the maximum date from these 3 records. So in this situation, it will take this date. And then in this return statement, we will say if this date is equal to this date from here, then set 1. In this situation is not, then we will have 0. For the second row it will be 0, and for the third it will be 1, because this will be an equal statement. Now to get the latest amount, we need to create a measurement. L amount, and let's say calculate, and let's say we calculate the sum of amount, where latest is equal to 1. And that's it. If we drag this on the canvas, we have the latest amount, 35. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.